This is a proud moment for Jumbo, providing us the opportunity to reflect on our 50-year history and how much our business has changed in that time. From our beginnings as pioneers swimming against the tide to 50 years later, still being a world leader in heavy lift transport and now a key player in offshore installation contracting, it's been an extraordinary journey. Over the years, Jumbo has helped revolutionize the heavy lift industry by embracing new engineering and different technologies, overcoming market and logistical challenges, and constantly exploring new and innovative ways to make the impossible possible. Here, we discover 50 years of pride in our company, our fleet, and our colleagues that make Jumbo what it is today. It started with one vision from one remarkable man, Mr. Hans Kahn. He used to say, "Not everything fits into a steel box," and he was right. From there, he created the heavy lift industry. Jumbo was founded on this desire to sail against the stream of current trends and on a unique set of values, traditions, and trust that still runs through the company today. We're always looking for new ways to innovate our industry, to more than satisfy our clients. This moves us forward while never forgetting where we came from. Our forward thinking has always been present throughout the growth of Jumbo. Every few years, a new class of better, stronger, safer, and more efficient vessels were added to our fleet. Over the past 50 years, we have seen Jumbo expand in strength and grow in capability. And in more recent years, we have seen Jumbo Offshore steadily progress from a service provider to a mature offshore installation contractor. In the end, the heart of any business is its people. Our dedicated teams have played a big part in what has made us so successful over the past 50 years. With the host of talented people working for us, the men and women that do the heavy lifting, the commercial, engineering, operations and support teams, we will continue to chart our own course in the smartest way possible. We promise to keep our pioneering, innovative and independent spirit alive.